Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram call ended problem or Instagram call problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search Instagram application, tap on Instagram application. Again tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix Instagram call ended problem. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on Wi-Fi connection. You make sure your internet or Wi-Fi connection is stable. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your Instagram application, tap on message icon. You can call again. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram call ended problem.